The Ferrotec 41-147333c, which is a customized Kollmorgen servostar 303 servo drive, came to ERD from a customer that had a flooding problem and came out of their flooded Veeco MOCVD system. We were able to clean up this driver, removing mud and other contaminants, and fully communicate with it, as shown in the video, with configuration software, which is as far as we needed to test with this particular product. This motor controller requires a very custom motor, which we did not have, but we were able to have the system fully tested by the customer, and we had complete success in the cleanup of this control. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.